Lana here from the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Wednesday the 8th of April. Let's take a look across the country where we'll see a band of showers and thunderstorms that will be moving across southern parts of Australia throughout the day. Elsewhere though, this high pressure ridge will bring mostly settled conditions, particularly about the interior and east coast where it will remain mostly dry. Elsewhere, we will see a few areas of showers and thunderstorms, including about the top end, and we'll also see some showers developing late in the day with the passage of the cold front through the far southwest. Now, we are, of course, monitoring severe tropical cyclone Mila. However, the good news into tomorrow is that Mila will remain well offshore in the Solomon Sea. So let's take a look now state by state, starting with Queensland. For Queensland, we're looking at quite a dry and settled day. So we'll start off with some morning fog through eastern parts, then we'll see a few showers developing north of Mackay, tending more scattered around the North Tropical Coast and Cape York Peninsula. Elsewhere though, it will be hot and dry, particularly for the far south of the state where temperatures are 6 to 8 degrees above average for this time of year. So for Brisbane, sunny conditions and a top of 32. Taking a look now at New South Wales, it will start off settled and we'll see some fog through the southern ranges. Now there are a couple of locations which will see some showers developing throughout the day in New South Wales. So to start us off, we'll see some showers through the southern and central coastal parts. And we'll also see some cloud and showers developing through the southwest of the state. However, for Sydney, it will remain dry, partly cloudy and a top of 26, and dry also for Canberra, which may see some morning fog, then warming to a top of 23 degrees. Into Victoria, it will start off a mostly dry day, but things will change. We'll see some cloud and showers developing through the northern and western parts of the state. However, it will remain mostly dry in the east. Generally, it's a mild and partly cloudy day, including for Melbourne, 21 and partly cloudy. Now for Tasmania, tomorrow is the day to take a breath between the passage of numerous cold fronts throughout the week. We're looking at settled conditions, light winds, just some isolated showers possible about the far northeast and south throughout the day. For Hobart, it will be mild, a top of 18 and partly cloudy. Now into South Australia, this is where we're going to see the bulk of the moisture and thunderstorms through southern parts throughout the day. So we can see here through southern half of the state, we'll see that shower and thunderstorm activity. However, it will be hit and miss. So for those areas, we're looking at slightly cooler conditions, but up north, it will be dry and hot. So for Adelaide, a top of 24 degrees, and it may see some of those hit and miss showers. Into Western Australia, with this trough, we can still see some showers and storms developing through the southern interior parts of the state. Another area which could see some showers developing later in the day is through the far southwest with a cold front skirting through later in the day. Those showers though won't reach as far north as Perth, which will see a mild day and a top of 22 degrees. Now, up in northern Australia, we'll see some showers developing about the top end and some storms, particularly through the Daly district. So for Darwin, a top of 32, we'll see some showers and possibly some of that storm activity. Very different though through the central part of the country where we're seeing hot and very dry conditions. So for Alice, 32, and we're looking at a sunny day. That is all for our national weather forecast. As always, if you'd like some more information for your location, please visit us at the Bureau's website, app or social media. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.